back. I'm making another video. Just got these little JDM All-Star A-Star. We're gonna use these at the fronts, the DRL lights. My other ones are getting old after probably at least 10 years. They've had them on there, so we're gonna replace them with these ones. And if they work great, we're gonna do the reverse one. This is the old ones, like old Go Recon ones I've had since my cruise, and they're bright on camera, but slowly some of these lights are going out. As you can tell right there, one of them is going out. So, you know, I've definitely got my money's worth, that's for dang sure. So let's replace them and see what they look like. And so that was super easy. It's literally all you gotta do is take the headlight out and then, you know, a little twist and then pull the other one out and put the other one in. So here it is. They are way brighter and more white. So that's more like blue, purple color, which is cool. Like if these were brand new, I'd probably put these back in. But compared to that, this one overpowers it. It looks super white bright compared to kind of dull blue color now, which you can't kind of compare because versus first time being in a truck versus been in multiple vehicles for years. But they've lasted it and they've gotten way much life out of them. That's not even a word, but yeah, definitely gonna buy some more. So let's put the other ones in.